um 2023 Nissan Altima SV model. There is the rear seat belts are locked because the car was in a crash, so we're gonna be taking out that that's those seat belts this afternoon. Please pardon the quality of the video because I'm going to be using one hand to video and the other hand to do the work, so just pardon me if you can see the video shaking or something as I go along. To remove the seat belt from a 2023 Nissan Maxima. How to remove the rear seat belt from a 2023 Nissan Maxima. This is an SV version. You can see the seat belt is locked. It's locked. I'm trying to pull it. It's stuck. It's both of them are stuck. Can't pull it out. So first thing, there is a pin underneath this place right here. Just push this out. You push this. If you look at this, there's a pin out. Just push it and pull this up. Pull it up, it comes up. Same thing on that side. You do that, and then immediately this comes up. Comes up. Pull the seat forward a little bit, and then you push it forward. You're gonna see this pin here. You push this button, it's a little clip, you push it, pull it out. This one too, same thing. I already pulled this out. Then you detach this one here. There is another button on this side also, right here. You push the clip also, and then it will be right out. See right here, you push this clip in. There's a clip here. Push this in, and the thing comes right off. Okay. Then we have 14 bolts here, which we're gonna take off. See right there. And then there is another one right there, which I'm gonna need to take off also. These ones are the ones that hold the seat buckles up. I'm not removing this one for this car because I don't need to work on this belt, but it's just this side and that side I'm gonna do. Then we're gonna go here and there. This bolt here is a 14 millimeter. This is a 13. And same thing on that side also. So I'm just gonna take that off now. Once this is out, we see that we set the seat, the bottom seat somewhere. Then open this place. Either you push this button here to release this one. Again, push the button, open this. See, open this place. Push this button to release this seat. Yeah, that releases that seat. Now, this side doesn't have a button, so you gotta go either into the trunk, or you can go through this opening. You see, this one here. You pull this. See this thing, you pull this. It's on both sides also. You can open the other one from that side. You pull this. Once you pull it, that will release. See that? Click, and that does it. Okay, let me show you from inside. That's this one here. Yes, you can pull this. You can pull this. that should release those backrest. Now the seat is folded. Then the next thing is to remove this panel here, this panel, and then this panel to get to this. So just this has some, it's a tab here, it's a clip here, and there's another clip on that side. All you need to do, just be careful, pull this out. Once you pull it, the tabs come right off by themselves. They're not that hard. See, just pull it and those tabs come off. Then you have, once those tabs come off, you have access to this, and then we can pull this off, remove this, take this off. We'll be able to get to the base of these belts here. There is a 10mm bolt in here that's holding that, as you can see. So that has to come out on both sides. Another one on that side too. That also has to come out for that panel to come out. That panel on that side is out. The one on this side too, do exactly the same thing. All you do is pull this aside, and then we'll remove these this dot rubber there, and then just pull it. See, so pull it, that's it, it's come out. There's an airbag behind that, so be careful. Okay, just pull it, and that's it, it's out. You can see the edge of that right underneath it. On the edge of that right underneath that also. So that's done. Underneath this place there are clips holding this down, so it's gonna require you lifting it up with a little force on both sides. I can't show you because of the tightness, but you're gonna see. I'm gonna show you once I'm done with that. You just, all you need to do is pull it out, but you see there are clips underneath it, so you gotta be careful pulling it so you don't break your rear windshield, and at the same time so you don't break this plastic. But this has to come out before you can get to take this out. This is done, like I told you, it's out now. Again, as I told you earlier, I said there are two clips there. One clip holding here, and that's the one you see that's flying up there. You get this here. There's another one on that side too. So on this side is actually a 10mm and a 14mm right there. On that side also it's same thing on that side. So so I'm gonna take this out. So 12. So 10mm out. On that side also. 10mm on that side also. Let's take that out also. Okay, then the next thing is the 12 as the 14, sorry, the 14mm there, that needs to come out too. Okay, let me that's a long one. 14mm, that's a long one. And then another 14mm on this side, also another long one. Sorry, yeah. So that's done, and there comes out your seatbelt. For the seatbelt to come out, you see I've loosened it, but you see it has the airbag see these this black clip on the back of it. Yeah, that's it. So you use something to pry this. Oh, you just pry it. You just pry it right here, and see, lift that up. You put that in there and lift it up. Once this comes out easily, you can pull this out, and that's it. So let's go and